Hello friends. I hope the discussions of the other days had been very helpful to you, and please send me if any queries are there, and also subscribe for my channel. And now today we'll be continuing on the same chapter but some tricky sums. A tricky sums is like that. I mentioned the difference of the sides of a triangle from its semi-perimeter, what we called ACE. As you know, ACE equal to semi-perimeter, that is the summation of the sides of the triangle divided by 2. So ACE equal to semi-perimeter. Sides of a triangle are 8, 7 and 5 cms respectively. So what is the sum? Difference of the sides of a triangle from its semi-perimeter are these are the differences, 8, 7 and 5. Suppose the semi-perimeter is 16, one of the side is 8, then the difference is 8, like that. So the difference between semi-perimeter and the sides of a triangle are like 8, 7, 5 centimeter respectively. And what we have to find out is the area of the triangle. That means we are required to find out the sides of the triangle. So as per the condition by the problem, what do we know? A is equal to A plus B plus C by 2, where A, B, C are the sides of a triangle. Semi, perimeter is A plus B plus C, and semi means half, that is by 2, equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So here also this applies. What is told in, let us for the first one, S minus A equal to, it was 875, the differences was 875 cms. So for the first one, the difference of the semi-perimeter and the side is 8. This is our first condition, 8. So A is equal to, we can write, if the other sides are B and C, so A plus B plus C by 2 minus A equal to 8, or A plus B plus C minus 2A equal to 8, or B plus C minus A equal to 16. Simple, we have simplified the equation, so we got B plus C minus A equal to 16. B plus C minus A is equal to 16. So if we take it, B, what we got, B plus C minus A equal to 16. Mark it as number 1 equation. Similarly, for the second one, what we get, S minus B, the semi-perimeter minus the side itself equal to 7, or A plus B plus C by 2 minus B equal to 7, or A plus B plus C minus 2B equal to 7, or B plus A plus C minus B equal to 14. A plus C minus B equal to 14. That is our second equation. A plus C minus B. A plus C minus B equal to 14. It was second equation. And the third one was S minus C equal to 5. Difference was 5. Or a plus b plus c by 2 minus c equal to 5, or a plus b plus c minus 2c equal to 5, or a plus b minus c equal to 10. So that was our third equation. A plus b minus c, a plus b minus c equal to 10. That was our third equation. And what we have to find out is the value of a b, c. So you simply solve it. As you know, if you add this equation 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2, that means 1 plus 2, what we get? B plus c minus a plus c minus b equal to 16 plus 14 equal to 30. So here we cancel and we get 2c equal to 30 or c equal to 15. One of the three sides we got one side, c equal to 15. Now we got c equal to 15. Now we add, you can take any method. It is not necessary that you adopt my method, you can just solve these equations only. Adding 2 and 3, that means 2 plus 3. What do we get? A plus c minus b plus a plus b minus c equal to 14 plus 10 equal to 24, or 2a equal to 24 or a equal to 12. So a equal to 12, another side is derived. Now it is easy, you can just put these values to any of the equations. Putting values of c and a in any equation in suppose 1. B plus 15, b plus c minus 12 equal to 16, or b plus 3 equal to 16, or b equal to 16 minus 3 equal to 13. So b equal to 13. So the sides of the triangle are known to us, and now we can easily find out the area. But here there is no scope for height or base, because the sides are known to us. Easily we can use Heron's formula. So area of ABC equal to root over S. So S is here, S equal to a plus b by 2. See, so 15 plus 12 plus 13 by 2. So 16, 27, side 42. So A is equal to 40 by 2, that is 20. So the formula was A into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C square unit. So I simply put the values. 20 into 20 minus 12, 20 minus 13, 20 minus 15 equal to 20 into 8 into 7 into 5 equal to, we just factorize, root 14 square centimeter. So that's all. I repeat again, the conditions were the difference between the semi-perimeter of a triangle from its sides were 8, 7, 5 cms respectively. We have to find out the area of the triangle. So what we have done, A is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So S minus A plus B plus C by 2 minus A equal to 8. And that's why we got the value of C. Some equations, C equations were there, B plus C minus 1. The first equation we got, then similarly we got the second equation and similarly the third equation also. And by solving, we firstly got the value of C, then A, then B. So the three sides were known to us, and by applying simply the Heron's formula, we got the area of the triangle. So that's all for today. And please subscribe us for our channel. And please give your valuable opinions also. And please, if any problem and if any suggestions are there, please let me know. Thank you very much.